The future is impossible without a progress. That's why progress is a key word in the ideology of Vantr Engineering Company. Throughout generations, the mankind tend to progress. Every new horizons inspires us and at the same time creates challenges. We are the discoverers, for whom the progress is a basis of zeal for the future, basis for our dreams to come true. Our curiosity is also as strong as our desire to build, create, and implement innovations. Foundation of the Vantr Engineering Group of companies can be deemed as a challenge per se. The group was established in 2012 in the conditions of tough market competition, dominance of innovative technologies in construction and engineering sector. Within few years, the company succeeded to become one of the recognized leaders in oil and gas and industrial construction field in the Russian Federation and Central Asia, confirming permanently its reputation of a reliable and socially responsible partner. Our representative offices are located in 8 countries that facilitates interaction with partners and clients and optimizes business processes. Among our clients today, there are famous global players in oil and gas industry. We are also in a long-term professional partnership with large international companies. Over the past 4 years, gas compression and pumping facilities of total capacity over 250 megawatts have been put into operation. More than 2,300 kilometers of gas pipelines, over 800 kilometers of various roads, over 900 kilometers of 10 to 220 kilowatts power transmission lines, and more than 1,300 kilometers of fiber optic communication lines have been laid. Today, the Vantr Engineering Group of companies possesses all necessary resources for effective implementation of turnkey complex construction projects in fuel and energy sector, as well as in social infrastructure. The company's resources allow us to provide a full range of construction works. Construction of ground technological and industrial facilities of any complexity, complex development of deposits, construction and overhaul of main and field gas pipelines, oil pipelines, and product pipelines. Construction of oil and gas processing facilities, including compressor stations. Civil construction, administrative buildings, office premises and residential houses. Arrangement of shift camps. Engineering counseling in the field of oil and gas, energy, as well as industrial and civil construction. The company owns a developed network of its production bases, workshops, warehouses. The Karakul production base occupies an area of more than 30 hectares. This includes open, closed-type storage facilities with a capacity of over 300,000 tons, 2 railway sidetracks for simultaneous unloading capacity of more than 50 wagons. The fleet of specialized machinery, vehicles and mechanisms consists of more than 1,400 units. All construction machinery and equipment produced in 2013-2017 with all relevant certificates, meeting the requirements of operation in industrial and civil construction field. All vehicles and specialized equipment is equipped with GLONASS-type tracking systems. Another competitive advantage of Vantr Engineering Company is highly qualified personnel, having working experience in implementation of construction and engineering projects in international companies. The purpose of the company's human resources policy is creation and continuous development of a cohesive team of professionals, starting from top and senior managers down to production workers, a team able to solve problems of any complexity as efficiently as possible in its administrative and managerial functions, and while implementation of construction and installation works. Currently, total number of personnel exceeds 12,000 people, including more than 200 highly qualified specialists with unique work experience in international projects. Bakhtiar Kafizov, CEO of Vantr Engineering. The fundamental principles while implementation of Vantr Engineering projects are the highest quality control over the works performed. Our partners and customers are the flagships standing in leading positions in oil and gas industry, and for whom quality, safety and operational efficiency are key concepts while selecting contractors. It is largely due to the high safety and quality standards the Vantr Engineering Group of companies demonstrates its potential for permanent growth and progress. Our quality control personnel consists exclusively of highly qualified specialists carrying out activities according to the API and ASME international standards. All specialists have ISO system certificates. To date, the Enter Engineering Group has successfully implemented a number of projects in oil and gas sector in Central Asia and Russia. Also, at the final stage, there are such significant and high-tech projects as construction of the Kandin gas processing plant and arrangement of facilities at the Gisar group of deposits. And in the phase of implementation, there are construction of the Pearl of Central Asia, a huge social project, multifunctional ice palace Humo Arena, Jizik oil refining complex, expansion of Shirtan gas chemical complex, and Uzbekistan GTL plant. According to ISO 14001-2015, introduction of new progressive management methods results in reduction of environmental impact, saving and preserving it. Enter Engineering Group of companies successfully implemented the Unified System of Labor Protection, Safety Rules and Environmental Management (USLP). 12 Golden Rules on Labor Protection, Environmental Protection and Road Traffic Safety are implemented. Due to that fact, there are high level of labor activity with a minimum number of incidents and losses of working time can be observed at all construction sites. The Enter Engineering Group of companies holds an active professional position, demonstrates stable growth, and maintains the quality of services at a high level. Progress is the key word of our ideology. We build the future.